The PORMIDO Mirror Dash Cam offers a unique 12-inch split-screen feature with a detached front camera, allowing for flexible installation and an improved view by eliminating blind spots. Equipped with advanced anti-glare technology and a high dynamic range, this dash cam ensures clear visibility by reducing glare from sunlight and preventing overexposure from headlights. The adjustable reverse lines and lengthy rear camera cable make parking and installation convenient, even for larger vehicles like trucks and trailers. A zoom feature for the rear image and a tidy one-wire connection enhance the user experience, along with features like loop recording and a G-sensor for collision detection. The parking monitoring system activates upon detecting a collision, recording a 30-second emergency video without draining the car battery. This mirror dash cam is designed with user support in mind, offering prompt assistance via email for any questions or concerns.